Hello, my name is Curline Matthews, and today it's my pleasure to highlight 5 important assessments to evaluate students' learning. As educators, I think it's very important for us to know these assessments. I will also elaborate or give a short explanation on each assessment. Number 1 is pre-assessment. Number 2 is formative assessment. Number 3, summative assessment. Number 4, post-assessment. And number 5, authentic assessment. Pre-assessment is used by teachers to identify current performances of students and desired performances. This assessment is mainly done before lessons are taught to give teachers the opportunity to modify lessons to help students learn. Number 2 is formative assessment, which is the method used by teachers to evaluate students' learning. This is done during the learning process in order to modify teaching and learning activities to improve students' achievement. Number 3 is summative assessment, which is the evaluation of long-term learning to see how students have progressed over a period of time. Summative assessment gives teacher the knowledge of where students are based on lessons taught. Number 4 is post-assessment, which is used to evaluate students' learning outcome. Post-assessment gives teacher the knowledge of the progress students made from their pre-assessment to post-assessment. Number 5, authentic assessment is used by teachers to determine or measure intellectual accomplishment by students. Authentic assessment is worthwhile, significant, and meaningful as they relate directly to students' abilities and capabilities. It is my pleasure to remind my audience that assessments are useful and important to students' everyday life. Because of these assessments, teachers can reteach or modify lessons. They can also make recommendations to help students improve. Assessments also provide teachers with knowledge of students' progress before and after lessons are taught. As educators, we should be conscious and consistent in our assessment of students to ensure that they are on the right path to achieving educational goals. As educators, we have the responsibility to ensure that we are taking the necessary steps to apply the various assessments to bring the desired outcome of our students. I hope you find this brief discussion to be informative and helpful to you as you educate and evaluate your students on a regular basis. Thank you for listening and have a great day.